Hi class, welcome to week 2. Congratulations on finishing module 1. I was excited to read all of your discussion posts and hear about your worst jobs. We did see some themes flush out from that discussion, and most of which we'll be covering as we move through the semester in the course. This week we are going to be setting the stage for the remainder of the semester, kind of doing a foundation of career, employment, the workforce, and how the labor force is going to be changing in the coming years. And you can start to think about how you might fit into that labor force. So again, I encourage you to participate on the discussion board. Your first initial post is due by Wednesday, and 2 peer replies by Sunday. And the other assignments, including a quiz, will be due on Sunday as well. So again, I look forward to seeing you all online this week, and congratulations again for completing the first module. And let me know if you have any questions or concerns as we move on. All right, let's get started.